How to fix Life360 network error on your mobile data. So if you come across this issue, let me show you a couple of common solutions that you can try out. The first and the immediate solution is you can toggle on and toggle off the airplane mode. Toggle on the airplane mode first of all, wait for a couple of minutes and then turn it off again. This ensures that you reset the airplane mode settings. And if the solution is not working out for you, the second thing that you can try out is try to ensure that the background data usage is enabled. So what you can do is tap and hold the app of Life360, head over to this eye icon. Once you're inside of the settings page, you can scroll down and head over to mobile data and make sure that this option which says allow background data users is enabled. If this option is not enabled for you, this might be causing the network error inside of your Life360 application. Now, even after trying all of these steps and you're still having issues, once you're inside of this settings page again, you'll need to clear out the app cache. You can head over to the storage option and then tap on the clear cache option. Once you do these steps, try to check if this fixes the issue. If you're still having issues with it, the last thing that you can now do is try to uninstall the application from your device and then again reinstall it. This ensures that any sort of bugs which may be causing the issue will be fixed. So by following these couple of steps, you should be able to fix the Life360 network error on your mobile data. If this guide video did help you out, be sure to subscribe. I'm gonna see you in the next video.